My name is Paula Ungu. I am 12 years old. I attend Child Bilingual Institute. I can see during this COVID era, teachers are being stressed a lot. So I want my AI machine to help teachers with the markings of work. And I use speech recognition extension. So I am now going to demonstrate my code. And after that, I will play.
I am fine and you, Adam. Feel unless I left my face mask at home. Feel unless Madam is dirty and I also do not have money to afford one. Feel next login that I want to ask why it is compulsory for us to put on a face mask. But if they may ask, how cannot be affected with COVID-19? Feel unless Madam may I know some symptoms. Feel next Madam. But Madam, how can I prevent COVID-19? Feel next Madam. I am fine and you, Madam. Feel unless I left my face mask at home.
I use 3 sprites. This is easy. The code starts running when you click on this. I used Abby. The code will also start running when you use this. And face filters, but I didn't give it any code. I know my code can be used by teachers to do their assessment. Thank you.